Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing source code of Spinwheel investment website. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can make this kind of amazing website within just 5 minutes, and I will give you the complete overview of this website. So as you can see, this is on my subdomain, hosted on my subdomain demo3.scriptsmasher.com. So you have no confusion left that I have hosted it. Then I am giving you demo of this website on my own domain. So let's start this video. So first of all, here you can see there is a login page. Now if you don't have an account, you must have to go to register page and you have to register your account. Now I already have an account, so I will just quickly log in with my existing details. So here you have to enter your phone number, then you have to enter your password, and after entering these details just click on login and it will log you into your user panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our amazing user panel of this website, where you can see the amazing look of this website over here. So here you can change the banners from admin panel. It's completely simple. You can use any of your banners you want. It is not necessary to use these banners. You can use your own banners of mining, etc. as well. Here you can see the latest VIP plans. So you can create these plans from admin panel and user can invest in these plans. So you can insert images of plans from admin panel and you can set their prices from admin. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description, and Telegram is also in description. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and you can buy this script from us on a very reasonable price. And if you need the complete end-to-end ready-made website, we also provide the complete website where you don't have to do nothing. We will create the complete website for you. And viewers, if you need the APK for this, we also create the APKs as well. So you can contact us for anything you want. And if you need any other design for investment website, all different designs are available. You can contact us and we will provide you what you want. So now let's explore this. So here you can see there is earning section, so you can check your earning. Here you can see the notes, you can see the team section. Here you can download the app of website. So we also make the APKs if you want. We will build it for you, but that will cost you some extra amount, but we will build it for you on a reasonable price. So here you can see some different plans as well. So by clicking them, so you can invest in these plans. So here you can see that your balance is not sufficient to invest in plan because you don't have balance. Now here is a recharge option. So viewers, here you can see that we are on our recharge page, and from here you can recharge money on the website. Now here you can see that different amounts over here. So you can change the currency if you want to change from admin panel as well. So here you can see that if you have to choose any amount, or you can type it over here. So after that you have to choose the gateway. So you can use any of the gateway you want. You can use EasyPaisa, Jazz Cash, UPaisa, any of the gateway you want to use, you can use it, and just select the gateway and you can deposit the amount. So now when you click on recharge, it will send your recharge request to admin. So here you can see that now you have to upload the proof of payment, and your request will be sent to the admin of the website. So now let's choose any file. So after choosing file, just click on submit and it will submit your deposit request, and when admin will approve it. So here you can see that your deposit request has sent successfully. Now it is showing that your request is pending. And viewers, you can see your existing deposits as well over here in the log section. So here you can see there is a spin wheel. You can claim your daily bonus using the spin wheel. So currently I have claimed, so I'm just showing you. So here you can see you have already claimed the bonus today, so you cannot do it again. Here is share option. So this is your referral code, so you can copy this link and refer different users. Here you can see all your details like your balance, your total deposits, your total investments, and here is a recharge and same withdrawal option. So you can also withdraw your money. So if you want, you can use any of the gateway you want for withdrawal. You can use USDT and crypto gateways as well, and you can also change the currencies. Here you can see all your messages, you can see all your personal details here. Here you can see your balance records. So here you can see that I've invested in one plan, so this will show you your total investments in plans. Here you can see your recharge record. So this is your recharge record. Your withdrawal record will be here. So here you can see your team records in this section. So viewers, this is the complete overview of its admin user panel of this website. Now viewers, now I will also show you the admin panel of this website. So let's go to our admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So if you are a new in the field of web development, you can use this script for making this kind of site, and you don't need any coding knowledge to make this site. You can easily host it on your hosting. You just need a domain and hosting and this script, and you can make this kind of site within just 5 minutes. So now let's go and let's explore the admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that I'm on the admin login page of this website. Now here I have to enter my username and password in order to log in as an admin of this website. Here, so I will enter my details, and after entering these admin credentials, just click on login and it will log you into your admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. So from here, admin can completely control the website. So you can see the total users, active user, email unverified user, total deposits, pending deposits, total investments on the website, and the graphs of new related investments. Viewers, this is the dashboard of your admin panel. Here you can see all the notification of deposit requests, user registration, all notifications you will get over here in this section. And now let's see how we can create the plans on the website. So if you want to make the plans, just go to manage plan and you can see all existing plans on the website. Now if you want to edit them, you can edit them as well. If you want to create a new plan, so let me just go to plan section again. Now if you want to create a new plan, just click on add new, and by filling name, type, return, range or fixed plan you want to make, and filling this simple detail, you can make the plan. Viewers, now here from here manage referrals. You can manage the referrals, as many as referral levels you want to set, you can set it up from here. It's completely simple. From investment report, you can view all the investment report of your website. So you will see all investments over here in this investment report section. From manage users, you can manage all the users of your website. So here you can see all the users. So currently there are 2 users as site is newly created. So you can see demo3.scriptsmasher.com. it is hosted on my domain subdomain, so that I just hosted to give you the overview of the site. Now when you click on details, you can add balance to user account from here, as much as balance you want to add, and you can also subtract balance from user account. You can log in as user, you can ban this user, you can change user, you can change the details and manage different things related to user. So this is how you can deal with users. And now let me show you some other features. So these are all user related activities, you can see them. So there are promotional tools as well, so you can promote your website. Here you will see automatic and manual gateways. So there are all worldwide accepted automatic gateways are available, you can use them. And if you want to use the manual gateway, like you can see there are 3 manual gateways already on the website. If you want to edit them, you can edit them as well. And if you want to create new gateway, just go to add new, and by filling these details you can use make any of gateway like USDT, TRC20, any gateway you want to make, you can do it from here. Here are some other settings as well. So from deposit options, so you can approve or reject the deposit requests of users. So here you can see that we have also sent the request of deposit to the admin. Now we can go to details in order to approve it or reject it. So you can see all details of deposit. So you can download the screenshot of deposit and approve it or reject it. So I am approving it. So here you can see the deposit has approved successfully. Now this amount will be added to user account on user panel. So similarly you can see all approved deposit, successful deposit, rejected deposit in this section. Here are withdrawals, so you can create withdrawal methods from here. So you can create as many as withdrawal methods you want. Just click on add new, and you can add a simple withdrawal method from this section. So you have to fill all these details for withdrawal method, and you can create a withdrawal method same like deposit. So you can approve withdrawal requests like deposit or reject them. Here are support tickets. You can communicate, admin can communicate with the users on the site. Here are general settings option. So from general setting, basically you can change the name of website. From here you can change the currency from RS to USDT, so you can change it from here. So you can change the currency symbol from here. You can change the bonus on registration and site based colors as well. Here from system configuration, you can turn on of different settings like balance transfer, registration bonuses, email verification, mobile verifications. From here you can turn them on off from this section. And from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website. Just select the logo and you can upload your own logo of your business. So these are some of the other option extensions, languages, SEO manager. So you can see them over here and you can use them like live talks. If you want to insert, you can use extension options. If you want to insert the language, you can use language option. You can manage SEO, you can manage holiday setting, you can manage templates. From manage sections, you can manage different sections on the website from here, and you can turn on off maintenance mode from this section and GDPR cookies. So that's all about this website admin panel. So viewers, if you want to buy this script or if you need the complete end-to-end ready-made website, just contact us and we will build this site for you. And if you need any type of other design, investment, mining, PTC, order grabbing, all type of investment websites are available. You can contact us and we will provide you what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with those people who need this kind of sites. And viewers, thanks for watching and be happy.